In this lesson, you will add a standard Pratt truss to the steel frame of the entryway roof. You will draw the truss in the plan view by selecting the columns located on each side of the roof span. Click on the menu browser and select Open Project. Then open the file rstmdl-trs01 Add Truss. Open the view 02 Floor Structural Plan. Then click the Home tab and from the Structure panel, click Truss. Make sure that the current element type is Pratt Flat Truss Standard and zoom in to the entryway. Then, to select the start point of the truss span, click the column on grid intersection E.5. Then, to select the end point of the truss span, click the column on grid intersection E.75. Then, click Modify, select the truss, and click the Element Properties drop-down and select Instance Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Constraints, for Start Level Offset and End Level Offset, type -3 feet. Then, under Structural, for Bearing Chord, select Bottom, and under Dimensions, for Truss Height, type 3 feet. Then click OK. Clear the selection, and in the project browser, under Elevations, Framing Elevation, double-click Elevation 1A. The truss is placed above the columns. Let's delete some unnecessary vertical webs. Open the 3D view and zoom in on the truss. Click the left vertical web. Then click Delete. Close the warning dialog that indicates the pinned object will be deleted. Then, using the same method, select the right vertical web on the opposite side of the truss and delete it, and close the warning. Next, we will change the truss level offsets. Select the entire truss, not just the left vertical web or truss cord. Then, click the Element Properties drop-down and select Instance Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Constraints, for Start Level Offset, type -3 feet 5 inches. Then make the End Level Offset -3 feet 5 inches as well. Then click OK. This lowers the top level of the truss to the same level as the other beams in the entryway frame. Clear the selection, and let's view the truss analytical model. Click the View tab on the ribbon, and on the Graphics panel, click Visibility Graphics. Then, on the Model Categories tab, under Visibility, expand Structural Framing, and select Analytical Model. Then expand Structural Columns and click Analytical Model and click OK. The orange lines represent the analytical model of the truss. Close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.